Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I must admit, it's Friday afternoon, it's around 3 o'clock and I skived off of work, out of the wood shop, into the car shop because I wanted to finish shooting this video for the axle stand feature I built. So I've been editing, it's just taken a long time, so I wanted to get the final thing done today and get it out to you as soon as possible. This is what I come up with, and I've shot this video with short little takes, so I'm not talking through it, and it's all pretty self-explanatory what I've done. And so over to the video, and I'll see you after it's all done. So I hope you enjoyed that video. It took forever to edit all those little chops. I thought it'd be better than me yakking all the way through it, because it's all pretty self-explanatory. If you've got any questions, please put down in the comments, or any other suggestions, if there's any improvements you think I can make. As you saw, part way through, after I'd painted all the darn thing, I realised really it needed cinching this way. That's why I came up with this little assembly that had to be round so it could engage with the rib, just turn in. So that works pretty good. Wanted to avoid this side because obviously you're dealing with the swing axle section and all that. So let's make sure everything's tight, and we will spin it and see how it all works. And I've also greased the pivot point inside this tube, make it spin a little easier. And take that out. I do have a bolt at the back here, just as a safety bolt so it doesn't fly off. So let's just spin it, see what happens. Whoops, undo the bolts here first. I put these in so it can be stopped at any point, you know, not just 180 or, you know, not 90 degree sections. You can do it at any point, which might be handy. So that, yeah, that holds nicely. And obviously this is a sort of a section you would lock it at, say. Take the load pin out, and then we can just lower everything. That would put it all the way down to the bottom if you want, and then you can now get to the seal and the brake assembly and all the other business, and then vice versa, you can turn it up. Let me get it back up again. Also, I could probably improve this jack pump, because it only goes up on one down. There are pumps that operate in two ways, which would be pretty nice, but that's an afterthought. Just put. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like, share, subscribe if you like what you see, and I will see you in the next one. We've got some cars that came here the other day, and I'm helping one of my friends, Stone, out on the Facebook group, and I'll give you a little tour of the cars that arrived here. A couple of nice special ones. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.